Okay, 2-3 to ano to, 2-2.
Okay, let's start the ball game. First possession on the shield red. Bob. First turnover of the game by Bob.
Parehong tumalo sa amin.
Kaya nga, ito nga, 2 losses ko.
Yeah, yung 2 losses sa amin sa amin.
JP.
Tap
by Pard.
Still by Pard,
Completely through by Pard. Bob looking for a teammate, passes through. Touré for 3, no good. Remwell rebounds it. Pass to JP. JP for 3 against 3. JP back to Remwell. Leaves it up for 2. First score, first basket of the ball game by Remwell. Assist from JP.
Dupit, assist by JP. JP Ramos.
Dupit 2 points. 2-0 is the score. Bert, cross-court pass to Bob. Defended by JP. Trey to Bert. What a pass to Pars. Lays it up there. Misses it. Rebound again by Remwell. Hill takes a 3. Passes back to JP. JP lays it up for 2. Yep. 4-0 is the score. Mission Care by 4 points. 2 points by JP.
4-4.
4-0.
4.
Jay with a turnaround jumper for 2.
Jay, assist.
Assist from
Ray.
Orley. Score is 4-2. Hill, pass it to Abel. Abel losing the glass, no good. Rebounded by Jay. Pass to Trey, waiting for his teammates. Pass it to Bob. Bob drives, but prevented by Hill. Trey back to Jay to Trey for 3. No good. Rebounded by Bert. No good. He got fouled by number 0, Vince. 2 shots. First personal on Vince. First team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Bert.
Chris.
First basket is a miss.
Papasok na si Chris Stonewall Jackson.
Second basket by Bert is good. Score is 4-3. Mission Care by 1. Abel. Pass it back to JP. JP defended by Bob. Drives to the basket. Lost the ball, but recovered by Abel. Hill using the floater. Oh, no good. Remwell with the rebound. Remwell with the rebound, but stolen by Trey.
Still.
Yes. Steal by Vince. 3 on 2.
Nice.
To Vince. Oh, what a block by Bert. Steal by Bert.
Tres.
Bob for 3.
Nice. Rebound.
Another rebound by Remwell. Long pass to JP to Hill. Open for 3. No.
Rebound by Bob.
Hart controls the board with authority. 2 on 1. Hook shot. Oh, blocked by Remwell.
Pinatulan to.
Wala no, di pa pinagbigyan.
Yung pinagbigyan sa mga
JP, Vince all alone for 3. No. Trey with a rebound. Score still remains at 4-3. With 6 minutes 9 remaining. Bob, long shot, no good. Abel rebounds it. Almost a steal by Paz. Abel controls it. Remwell lost it. Steal by Trey. A lot of turnovers for this game. Nice pass by Trey to Jay for 2. Score is 5-4. 1 point lead by Omni Shield.
Ano naman si WJ? Nag-video mo.
JP for 3. No. Jay rebounds it. Trey slows it down, waiting for everybody to go down. Trey to Jay. Pass it back to Trey for 3. No. Bert with a rebound, power rebound, follows it up for 2. Substitution, 5 minutes. Score is 7 for 3-point lead by Omnishield.
Di ba? Tama, ano?
Psycho throwing. Let's go.
Asan ang mga
Tagal.
Burot.
Wala pa, nagmumuni-muni pa. Nagmumuni-muni pa. Nasa
JP. Pass to WJ. WJ open for 3. Nope.
Wilson, rebound.
Jigsaw with the rebound, but stolen by
Cesar.
Cesar. Cesar with the steal. JP jumper. Nope. WJ rebound, follows it up for 2. Yes. Rebound and 2 points for WJ. 7-6 is the score. Still a 1-point lead by Omnishield.
Ako na lang maglalagay mo.
John Lee to Jay to Bob. Back to Jay. Steal by Remuel. Tap by Remuel. Cesar. An assist by JP. 2 points for Cesar Chan.
8-7.
Traveling violation on Bob. Time remaining 3:55. And the first quarter, the score is 8-7. Mission Air leading by 1 point. JP to Redwell. Oh, he didn't expect that pass. JP. Traveling violation. Back-to-back traveling by both teams. Trey to Jay using the glass again for 2. Another assist for Trey. 2 points by Jay. Jay Pirum. 3 minutes 15. Score is 8-7. Mission Care. Oh, 9-7. 9-8, sorry. Is that a 3?
No, 2 points, Dennis.
2 points by Dennis.
JP Ramos.
10-9 is the score. Mission Care by Uno.
Saan lang yan? Ikaw lang ang mag-ano sa kabila.
Jigsaw.
Ikaw lang sa kabila.
Bob.
Huwag nga ako ng bahala dyan.
Oh, what a pass to Judy. Got 3, but layup was short. Blue ball, according to referee Percy. JP open for 3. Nope.
3 points, JP.
Remuel, long rebound. The JP again for 3. There you go. Finally, first 3 of the ball game by JP. 13-9, 4-point lead by Mission Care. Julie to Bob. Bob for 3. He almost got in, but rebound by Redwell.
Foul, Julie.
JP got fouled by Julie. That's Julie's first personal.
First team foul.
First team foul on Omnishield. Time remaining 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the first quarter. WJ.
Julie.
Dennis. WJ for 3. No. Jay controls the board. Passes it to Bob. Nice pass. Oh, the layup was short. Another rebound by Redwell. WJ. Pass to JP. Almost lost the ball, but recovered. Cesar. Looking for WJ. WJ inside. Cesar for 3. Nope. Trey with the rebound. Trey gets the rebound. Trey pass to Jay, I should say. 2 points. Assist by Trey. 2 points by Jay. 13-11. Oh.
Tama ba to? Uy, 13-11.
13-11. 2-point lead. Dennis, the exterminator for 2.
JP.
Assist from JP.
JP. Basta may shoot. May nasa. Passes.
15-11, 4-point lead. Time remaining 50 seconds. 50 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Trey, guarded by Cesar. Pass to Jimson. To Jay. Jay, jumper. Nope.
Rebound, Julie.
Julie controls the board.
Steal.
He lost it. JP recovers the steal. Oh, strong pass. Oh, it's a turnover by Blue. It's 2 against 1, but they wasted that opportunity. 20 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 15 seconds remaining.
mo, sabi niya. Sample mo.
Dalawa yan bro, isa
10 seconds.
Spice sila.
Sabi niya, sample mo. Ibig sabihin, sample ko. Ganun ba?
Jay with a jumper. No.
So, 11-5.
Score is
11-50.
15-11. Mission Care with. This is the start of the second quarter. First game, Mission Care versus Omni Shield. Let's play.
Ginagawa ko kasi pag yung bawat kwarto sa ako nilalagyan naman.
Alam na this.
Hawakan ko muna yung kalabaw, baka...
Hop!
Vince.
Foul.
He got fouled.
Hard.
Fouled by number 68, Bard.
Hindi na hawak-hawak ka.
Wala na, hindi na kami. May cellphone pa.
First person out on Bard's first team foul
Pwede ka kanta, ano?
on the shield.
Wala kakantot.
Abel to Ramwell. Ramwell almost blocked it, but recovered. Drives to the basket, layup, no good. Ball goes to Red.
Red ball na, mamaya.
Red ball. Next possession is Red.
Kabaga.
Trey open for three. No. WJ.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Burt jumper. Go for two.
Si Bird. Bird.
Burt gets the rebound.
And 2 points.
WJ did not get the control of the board. 15-13, 2-point lead. Another traveling violation.
Ganda lang tawag sa'yo, tol.
Ganda na tawag ni referee, ano ha?
With the, ano ba, with the CCTV, tol. Para kayo tanong, CCTV.
Pinag-aralan niya yung mga traveling niyo.
You know?
Sayang. Rebel.
Pasa, tol.
Rebel another rebound.
Diba, dilimin.
He's a rebound king for the first half. WJ switched for three. Assist from Hill. Assist from Hill. 3 points by Jay. 13-18. Mission Care by 5. Jigson to Trey. Back to Jigson.
Nice.
Almost. Sayang. Rebound na naman ni Redwell.
Ano, rebound
Ang
dito.
dami ng rebound ni Redwell ha.
Hmm.
WJ. Pass to Redwell. Yeah, what a nice pass by WJ to Redwell. Sana bukas ganun din.
Nag-combine rin, tol. Combine rin. Ang gangin.
Yeah. Score is 20-13, 7-point lead by Mission Care. Trey for three. Strong. WJ rebounds it. Hill to WJ. To Vince. Back to Hill for three. Nope. Strong. Jay controls the board. 3-on-2. Jason, Jason, three. Nope.
Sayang, tol.
Nice spin, but too strong. Rebounded by Burt.
Wala
Another
pa!
three. Yeah! Offensive rebound. And follow up by number 65.
Ah, rebound at 2 points. Defensive rebound, eh.
Anong height nyo? 20-15. WJ for three, no? Oh, almost. Oh, a rebound. Loose ball foul on Vince. That's Vince's second personal. First team foul on Mission Care.
Foul si Vince ha.
That's rebound 5.
Foul si Vince.
Kakakatuin ko sila.
Foul si Vince.
Vince, foul. Vince, foul.
Second personal on Vince. Jay to Trey. Trey, another three. Yes, first time. He makes the three. 20-18, down to 2-point lead with 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter. WJ to Vince. Vince for three. He gets that shot. Here for three. Time out on the shield.
Sino naka-3?
Si, ano, WJ.
Oh, si Hill.
Si Hit, sorry.
Yep. The score is 23-18, 5-point lead. Timeout. This is the first timeout by OmniShield. Base ka lang.
Kasi ako yung tawag, inano nyo yung segway mo, no? Isip ko si ano eh. Kamok ka lang eh. Ako nga, no? Sino nag-timeout? Si ano?
OmniShield. First timeout by OmniShield. Time remaining 5:42. I guess the next dead ball would be a substitution. Let's go, let's play.
Pares lang yan, pares lang.
Ay, pwede na mag-stop, no?
Pwede na, stop.
Pwede na, stop na. Yeah, stop na.
Stop na. 5 minutes.
Umupo na si WJ, mag-stop na tayo.
Oo.
Alam na this.
Okay na yan. Nag-timeout naman eh.
Timeout naman, okay lang. Let's go! Back to the ball game. 23-18, 5-point lead by Mission Care.
Every 5 minutes,
5 minutes 30 remaining. Steal by Remuel, coast to coast. Strong. Ball remains with Blue Mission Care. Hill to Cesar. Cesar open for 3. No. Jay controls it. Almost a steal.
John, tira John!
Julie
Kabilit ka na.
traveling again.
Pinag-aralan niya ano eh.
Pinag-aralan din. Kasi ano ka na eh. Pag nag-ano ka na, umasinta ka na.
Hill
Kailangan mo na.
to JB.
Oo, nag-stop na siya eh.
To Vince. Back to JB. JB drives to the basket. Pass it to Cesar. Cesar, no. Jason controls the board. Bounce pass to Bob. Fakes it. He got fouled by Cesar.
Free throws.
That's Cesar's
First foul.
first personal. Second team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for BOB. Bob. First basket is good. First free throw counted. Score 23-19. Second free throw also good. 23-20. Down to a 3-point lead with 3 minutes 49 remaining in the first half. Cesar pass to JP to Hill to Lemuel. To JP, out to Cesar.
Nice! Ganda nung pasa, foul.
Remo got fouled by
Junli.
That's Junli's second personal foul. Second team foul on OmniShield. 2 shots for Remuel. Tupi.
95-2. Gusto mo?
Mali. Paano malalaman yun? Di ba ano na yung penalty?
Hindi ba? Ito yun eh, hindi na. Pumasok ba?
Misses on the first shot.
Ito na lang namin ginagawa.
Hindi man tumama ata eh.
Hindi, ano yan, si Junli yan.
Yun. Ringless.
Walang ano eh, carry
Second basket is good. 24-20. 4-point lead.
Hindi, lahat yan. Kasi pag every quarter, nagsisira.
Trey.
Wala yan, walang carry over.
Hindi first.
Wala.
Bob for 3. Nope. Jay rebounds it. Follows it up. He got fouled by
Samuel.
number 21, Dennis.
Third foul.
Dennis' first foul.
Line up! First foul.
First personal foul. 13th foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Jay Perun.
Yes.
First basket is good. 21-24.
Sabi niya daw, nangihingi natin yung food na
Second basket, good. Just a 2-point lead, 24-22. Mission Care leading by 2. JP to Hill. Looking for a teammate. Cross court pass to Cesar, back to Hill. Hill.
Cesar!
by Cesar. Assist from Hill. 5-point lead. Back to 5-point lead. Jay powers.
Rebound.
Power shot, but no good. Hill 3. Assist from JP. JP. Lead balloons to 8 with a back-to-back threes. Foul on Cesar. That's Cesar's. Is that Cesar?
Oh, Cesar.
Pangilang foul on Cesar? Second?
Cesar.
Second personal on Cesar. 14 foul on Mission Care. One more, they're in the penalty. Jay. Nope. Strong. Renwell. Plus 1 rebound. Akot sa rebound. Nice pass. Blocked by Jay. 25 seconds remaining in the first half.
May timeout pa kayo, ha? May timeout kayo, ha?
20 seconds. Julie for 3. Assist from
Ray.
Ray.
May timeout pa kayo, Tar.
10 seconds remaining.
May timeout kayo.
Time out. Blue.
Dito lang.
Mission Care.
Huwag mo nang advice na mag-time out. Mahaba pa yung oras eh.
Score is 30-25. Mission Care by 5. 6.5 seconds remaining. I guess this would be the last shot.
30-25. Yan, ganyan lang. Timeout sila.
Okay, sino ang pili?
Blue.
Ay,
Here we go, back to the ball game. Ready? Asho? Ready, good. JP. Oh, steal. Time out. 1.8 seconds remaining. 3.8 seconds.
3.8.
Last shot. Tayo. Let's go, let's play. Sino?
3.8. Jay! 3.8, ha? 3.8.
Timer ready, timer ready.
Oh, shoot.
Hindi yan tinawag eh.
Tinawag eh.
Hindi ako, yung referee.
Bagong, bagong.
Red ball, red ball.
Red ball. Red ball. Red ball.
So, bali ano ka?
Red ball.
Next possession is blue.
Bagong, may bagong, magka. Para sa may gout. Pwede ba ito? Yes. Tayo na.
Hey, ready guys.
Ano ito ah?
Alam mo na, isang libo na tayo. Magkano ba? 12 isa.
12 isang box.
Three.
Bagong call para sa gout. Para sakto-sakto mamaya.
Three. Bob. Guarded by Vince, the Prince. Good defense so far by Blue. Bob again. Pressured by Vince. Wala pa.
kaya ubusin yung 1 minute.
Oh, foul by what's it called? It's a traveling correction. It's a traveling violation.
Fourth quarter pa to lang.
Good defense by Mission Care.
JP
for 3. 33-25, 8-point lead. Mission Care.
Fourth quarter pa, may shot clock. Gumagala. Foul.
Foul on Remwell.
Over the back. Over the backcourt, foul.
Pangilan ni Remel.
First team.
First personal on Remuel. First team foul.
Sige, Mangga, meron
On
dito.
mission care. Bert. Nice move.
Wala pirouette, tol. Pirouette sa puwet.
2 points by Bert. What a move by Bert. Ano.
Yay!
Oh, take na. Bob rebounds. Pass to Trey. Trey decides to travel. Takas ang travel nyo kay Percy. Travel again.
Wala na bitawan. Wala. Ang tissue.
Wala ko ano. Nagano na tayo.
Trey mamaya. Trey. Oh, steal by WJ. Cross court, no pass to Vince. Vince drives, but he got fouled by Travelers. Oh, he got fouled.
Technical.
They will discuss it. Relax.
Relax. Come on. Call a technical if you want. Call a technical if you can. Take your technical for your game. Supaw. Punta kayo, man.
Traveling. Nauna yung traveling. Oh, let's play. Come on. Play. Sarap naman play.
Nagtamang ka. Huwag ka magulo, ha? Nakagalaman ka.
JP. Pass to Vince. He got fouled by
Jay Birong.
Jay Berung. That's Jay's first personal. Is that 2 shots or 3? 3 shots for Vince, the Prince.
Christina, sumula no? Mangga, oh. Tapos may ano.
Power shot. First basket, good. 23rd.
34-27. Saba.
Shoot yung una.
Oh, na-shoot isa.
Second basket is a miss.
Please yung second. Paano?
Oh, one more lane violation. Too soon. Sabi nga nila.
Good job, man.
Oy!
Third basket ni
Wow!
foul
Go to basket. Red.
Sam!
number 47, Trey. That's the foul on Trey. 2 baskets for WJ.
Pangilan ni Trey yun.
Bonus shot for WJ.
Pangilan ni Trey.
Okay. Si Trey? First pa lang. Si Trey.
First personal on Trey. Bonus shot for WJ is good. 37-27. Balloon to a 10-point lead. Bob to Trey. Floater using the glass is good. 37-29, 8-point lead with 4 minutes 10 seconds remaining. WJ for 3. Nope. Bob, long rebound. Pass through. Trey. Jay against Jay. Foul on WJ.
Pangilan ni WJ yun.
First personal on WJ.
Sabi mo, may bagong.
Second team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Jay.
May mangga pati bagong.
Mag-officiate ka muna, mamaya ka na kumain.
Kaya muna ako, tung na ako eh. Di ba ako nag-ano?
Mga technical ka niyan.
First basket, good, no?
Second basket is good too.
Kumakain ako eh. Kung kayo nag-score.
Oo na? 37-31.
37-31. Kumakain
Thank you. WJ against J Biru. Last touch. Good defense by Junli. Hill versus Bob. Hill moves it out to Cesar. To Remwell. To WJ underneath the basket. Reverse layup. Not the fouled by Jay. Bumawi sa kabila.
Basket. Red 50. Into the elbow.
Kailan ni ano yan, WJ?
Second personal on WJ.
Jay.
Ah?
Si Jay, may second team foul.
How? Second team foul?
Hindi, second foul na si Jay. Si Jay Biro nga nag-foul eh. WJ magpipit throw.
Yeah, second personal on J.
Yeah, sabi mo, WJ.
There, second personal on J. Bonus shot on WJ. 40-31. 9-point lead. Trey. Nope. Jason lays it up, follows it up. Rebound and 2 points for Jason. 40-33. 1 minute 55 remaining.
Hoy!
Power move. No good.
Hoy, foul!
Rebound by Remwell. Follow up with a foul from
Sinalo ka to talaga.
95.
Sinalo talaga.
Junli.
Ang ilan na ni Jun Leon?
Second.
Makatuloy
Third na, third na.
Third personal foul on Junli. Number 3.
Third foul.
Third team foul.
Oh, alam ko na.
2 shots for Dupit.
Mamaya pagka.
First free throw is good for Dupit.
Maraming ano eh. Bukas mo na lahat ng pinang-comban train mo. ang
Second basket for Dupit is good.
ano mo, ang gaan ng feeling, puro rebound eh. Nagpapurga eh. Comban train. Oh, bagong purga to, ang gaan.
Trey. Pass to Bob. Bob open for 3. WJ controls the board.
Guys!
Wow, what a pass by Hill.
Ren.
For 2, Remwell. Steal by Dennis.
Backing.
Backing violation.
Nakita, backing.
Sayang. Huli-huli ni ref.
Nakita,
Rebound again by Remwell. Boy, Remwell magtira ka para bukas. 7 seconds remaining.
Tira!
2 seconds. Timeout ka pa eh. Next possession is blue. Blue ball.
Oh, sorry, fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter. Possession now is blue. Next possession is red.
Blue ball. Pwede mag-CR muna. CR lang kami. Tama. Take one.
Hindi, isend ko yung sa lang.
JP.
Rebound by Pards. James Noah, no good. We have the shot clock, okay? Hill, no good. WJ, JB. Waiting for his teammate. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Yes! Mission Care 3 points. 47-33. 5-second violation. Oh. Muntik na, $500 yan. 47-33.
Tama tayo score, no?
Oh. Shoot!
J for 2.
2 points, si Jihin.
Jay.
Kenzie Paul.
Offensive foul on
Red 50, offensive foul.
50.
Sino yung nakascore doon?
Si Jay. Si Jay, pasa ni Hill.
Sa WJ.
Oh.
Hindi, si WG nag-ano dun.
Sino ba naka-assist?
Hindi, ano siya? Hindi, si WG nag-ano tumatingin.
Hindi, nakashot doon sa gilid.
Si Hill na na-assist.
Nakashot si Hill.
si Hill. Okay, got it.
Si Jay ang nagpasa.
Let's go. 49-33. Jigsaw goes to post for 2.
35-49.
35-49, 14-point lead. JP. No. Line ball remains with blue.
Get your man!
Hindi, kaya natawagan. Nag-away na sila.
Shot na ako eh.
WJ lays it up.
Ako nga yung tinawagan ng coach. Nagulat ako eh.
Trey for 3 on net. He said 2. 3 according to the ref. I'm just following his orders. 3, yeah. 3 points by Trey. WJ steal by Jason. Reset mo yung shot clock. Yeah, rebound by Pards.
Ano score ba? 51? 38? Uy! 38 nga. Ay, sayang.
No good. Last touch red. Ball goes to blue. I'm out. On the shield.
Nag 3 points si ano eh.
51-38.
Si Trey, di ba?
38 points. Malay, kumain lang kayo ng mangga. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Hindi, anong pinamatay ng Mrs. Poon? Centeno. Nag-remission tapos nag-ano. Tapos umakyat.
Back to the ball game.
Remission tapos nag-lift sa sideline.
Abel to JP. 15-second shot clock. Reset. Trey with a rebound. He got fouled by number 34, Hill.
Foul si Hill, rebound.
Foul on Hill. Jun Lee.
Oo.
Wow, what a move by Julie for 2. Bumitin Zaire. 51-40, 11-point lead.
Foul si ano ha? Ang record niya.
Hill.
Oy, tayo shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock.
Nice!
10 seconds. Almost.
Ayan.
He got fouled by
Singson.
Number 11,
Singson.
Jingson. Pangilan ni Jingson.
Kasi alam na, mahirap na.
Second personal on Jingson. First team foul on the shield. 2 shots for Vince. First shot, miss. Substitution.
Yan mo na.
Ayun, no? Pag-game ako,
Ano sabi ko yung aso pa na, dalit ka ng bato.
Second basket for Vince is good.
Wala kang timeout, no?
Oh, yeah. Bob for 3. Short. Jingson takes it. Open for 3. Strong, no good. Basket. Follow up back on Jay. Score is 52-42. 10 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Mission Care. 10 seconds, shot clock. Sorry, I missed it. Foul on
47.
number 47, that's
Trey.
Trey.
Pangilan na niya.
Ay, sabi 47 eh.
First foul lang ito.
Hindi.
First foul lang.
Second
Sino ang bumabantay kayo?
Second.
Ha? Sino ba nag-foul?
47 sa akin.
Red, whose foul is it? Red, whose foul? Red 47.
Yeah, Trey wasn't even on that pitch.
Sige na. Tumatagal na yung oras na to.
Okay, first basket, please. Counted.
Tumatagal na yung oras.
Second basket also counts. 54-42.
Hindi sa umahabol kayo.
Foul on
30.
number 30, JP's.
Pangilan ni JP yun.
Ilan foul na daw?
First.
First pa lang?
First pa lang daw.
First personal on JP.
Pumasok.
First basket is good. Second basket miss. Rebound by Cesar. 15-second shot clock. Steal by Bob. 2 points for Bob. 9-point lead. Foul on driving. Time out. Mission Care with 2 minutes 17 remaining in the ball game. Sampo ang kalamangan ng Mission Care. 54-45.
Kaya gusto mo magmangga dyan?
Magmangga muna kayo.
Dapat kumuha ka na rin ng singkamas bro.
Meron.
Gusto mo na.
Tagto kayo, tagto.
Ano yun?
Foul daw bago may penalty.
2 fouls pa lang kayo. 2 team fouls pa lang. Each.
Sub double time.
2 more fouls to give for each.
Wala yun.
1 timeout remaining for each team. Tabi. Let's play.
Palima.
Play. Clock. Yeah, Jason for the lead. 54-48.
Si Bob.
15-second shot clock.
Hindi ko makita ko yung persa.
10 seconds. Bailout shot. Kung sakali, Jay. 2 points for Jay. 56-50, anim pa rin. That's Julie's fourth. Pangalan ni Julie.
Oh, fourth.
Fourth personal, 13th foul on the shield. 1 minute 30 remaining. Libre. Follow up. He got fouled by number 47. Trey. Stop the clock. Ano foul ni Trey? Dalawa?
Pangalawa.
Second personal on Trey. 14th foul on the shield. Next foul by on the shield is a 1-on-1 free throw. Suerte, bounce. First basket ni WJ, awa.
Baka maubos siya para bukas, Tol.
Oh, tira ka bukas, Brad.
Ano bang kalaban niya bukas?
Sila.
Second basket is good. 58-50. Bounce for three. Nope. Vince all alone is WJ. Muntik pang tawagan ng traveling.
Oh, traveling.
60-50. 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining. Jason, no three, no good. Rebound again by Remwell.
Rebound ni Remwell.
Three by assist by WJ to Remwell for two. 45 seconds remaining. J foul. Oh, hindi na and one. Bagti na kayo bukas, Brad.
Ano yan, Tol? Point differential, Tol. Tol, point differential yan, Brad. Score kayo.
First basket by Jay is good. 62-51. Rebound by Jay. Follow up. Two. It's like a three-point play. 62-53. 30 seconds remaining.
Sa clock, wala ba?
Foul on Bob.
1-1. 1-1.
Pangalan ni Bob.
1-on-1. If it's not an act of shooting, it's 1-on-1. Yeah. If it's not an act of God, 1-on-1. Remwell, rebound na naman si Remwell. Follow up, foul. 47 na naman is third personal. 13 foul, 16 foul, 2 shots for Remwell. Third foul pala, guys. George, naku na, ubus na.
Ubus na, yari na kayo bukas.
Yari tayo bukas nito.
Ubus na. Short ulit.
Yeah, Jay rebound. Court pass. Long pass to Julie. Assist from Jason. 2.10 seconds remaining. Well, that's it. They call it. The final score is 62-55. 7 points. Advantage.